This is Gracie. This is my family. This is my daddy. This is my mama. This is my big brother. This is me. This is my doggy. And this is what happened this week.
Hey everyone. I probably won't have a lot of footage this week, mainly because RD's gone out camping and all having a good time, and this is the week I started back at work.